Owen, $2.50 for chicken rice and $1 for a drink? What a good find! More people should know about this.
How about sharing it on CrowdTaskSG?
Can you show me how?
It's time for Gayle Guides.
HDB works with coffee shop operators to provide more affordable meal options for our residents and list them on Budget Meal GoWare. The Great Budget Meal Hunt is a challenge on CrowdTaskSG that aims to increase the list of offerings across the whole of Singapore. This challenge leverages Singaporeans' help to find and share more affordable meals around our island for more to enjoy. All registered CrowdTaskSG users can participate in this challenge. Here's how you can get started. Step 1. Log into your CrowdTaskSG account at crowdtask.gov.sg. Step 2. Select the burger menu at the top right-hand corner and select Quest. Step 3. Scroll to search for a coffee shop to key in the postal code or street name. Then select the coffee shop for which you would like to submit an entry. Step 4. Select Submit a budget food or drink and start task. For reference, food items on Budget Meals GoWare are priced between $3 and $3.50, and drink items are priced at $1 to $1.20 on average. These budget meals should be full meals and not side dishes, snacks, kids' meals or half-portion meals. Step 5. Take or add a photo of the stall signboard with the text clearly visible. The signboard must also be well lit with no reflection. You can only upload one photo for each submission. When you are done, select Next at the bottom. Step 6. Key in the name and price of the budget food or drink. Select Submit when you are done.
That's easy. How many can I submit daily?
You can upload 10 submissions daily. Try it now for yourself. For more info about the Great Budget Meal Hunt, visit CrowdTaskSG or leave us a question in our social media posts.